Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cargo channel, coming to you today from the sunny island of Tenerife. And without further ado, let me introduce you the rent-a-car that I promised and teased you about yesterday. It is the Volkswagen Polo, a beast of a car with 1.2 liter engine and absolutely no oomph. But that doesn't matter because this is where we are. And I introduced to you views on views, and this down there is one of the best driving roads in Tenerife, and it's called the road to Masca. It also has TF Tenerife something name that I'm gonna put up here, but let me show you how it looks on the map. And just note all the twists and turns, but you know what, I think it's better for us to go and drive it in this beast. Okay, just a quick note while we're in Santiago de Teide. I know this is a car channel, but have you seen an orange tree? There it is. Look at the fruit. Look at all the oranges up there. I assume they don't have on the bottom because people like me already picked them up and ate them. But fun fact, orange tree, it looks beautiful, and there is a semi-naked man with a trident or something like that on that post, and this is Santiago de Teide. So we finally took on to the road to Tesca, and I gotta tell you, even though we have twisties back in the United States, these here are on a whole different level, and it's a super narrow road, and there are also buses, and they actually got to do a 3-point turn to go down the hairpins. It is simply exhilarating, also a bit scary, but good thing that most of the cars down here are nice and small, so you know it's easy to for two cars to go through this narrow road. As I said, the only problem are the buses, and even though it is a scary, dangerous road, it is really rewarding because the views out of here are simply phenomenal. If you ever come down to Tenerife, you simply have to go on this road. Alright. And even though a bit underpowered, the Volkswagen Polo is doing just a good job. It's not fantastic because we do need a little bit of power, but on the downhill it's nothing but sublime. Okay, if you guys ever feel like coming down here to Tenerife, it's a Spanish territory. The island is famous for being a great cyclist destination, so most of the cycling teams come here to train, simply because of the change in elevation. In this island you have from beach to a mountain, and in this little series that we started, we're gonna go and drive the 6 best roads of Tenerife. First of which, as we said, is the road to Tesca. I gotta tell you, what I see from my window is magical. All the cliffs and the ocean meet each other, and just great. The only thing is, we have 2 cars right in front of us that are taking their time, and here's the first bus of the day. And we finally reached the top of the road to Tasca. I just gotta show you where we went through. And look at this road right there. Just look at that. Let me zoom you in. This right there is one of the best driving roads in Tenerife, and quite frankly probably in the world. We went down that way, over the mountain, down through the picturesque village of Tasca with beautiful small whitewashed wall houses, a little bit of touristic pub down there. We went through this road up the mountain, and now we're gonna go back. I'm saving the rest for myself, but just like that, this video will be over. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because tomorrow's video will be on another beautiful road and the island of Tenerife, because while we're here, we're gonna make the most out of it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, and don't forget to hit that like button. See you in the next adventure in the island.